If you are a teen in 2026 and you want a head start, not hype, not get rich quick, not lottery vibes, this video is for you. And if you are here to flip $20 into $2,000 overnight, this is not that channel. The biggest trap I see is this. Half-beat, teens invest, then life happens, and they pull the money out at the worst time. So in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 smart ways to invest as a teenager, in order, with one mistake to avoid for each. And if you want a place where people like us actually grow up financially step by step, welcome. I'm not your financial advisor. This is beginner education, not personal advice. And if you are under 18, a parent guardian usually has to help you open certain accounts, so just do it the right way. Also, you do not need a ton of money to start. What matters is consistency. If you can start with $10, $25, $50 and keep it moving, you are already ahead of most people. This is a pillar video, and after this, I'm dropping the next steps like account setup, investing your first $100, and the beginner mistakes that quietly wreck people. Way number 1, the Don't Get Wrecked Emergency Fund. This is the boring one that makes investing actually work. Your emergency fund is money you keep safe, so you do not touch your investments when life hits, like your phone breaks or you need something for school. Emergency money stays in savings, not invested. First hit $100, then build to $500 when you can. Keep it in a normal savings account, separate from your spending money. Label it emergency. Set an auto transfer weekly, even $5 is fine, and do not touch it unless it is a real need. This is the part future you will quietly respect, because future you is not trying to sell investments, just to handle a random problem. Mistake to avoid. Do not put emergency money into stocks or crypto. Emergency money needs to be there on demand. Way number 2. Custodial Roth IRA, if you have earned income. If you have earned income like a part-time job, or legit paid work you can track, this is one of the strongest moves in the U.S. A Roth IRA is an investing account built for long-term growth, with tax advantages later if you follow the rules. Since you are under 18, it is usually a custodial Roth IRA, meaning your parent guardian opens it with you and it is for you. Your Roth IRA contribution is generally limited by your earned income and the IRS annual limit. Keep it clean, no guessing. I will put official IRS links in the description. Here is the 3-step setup. 1. Confirm you have earned income. 2. Open a custodial Roth IRA with your parent guardian. 3. Turn on monthly auto invest into something simple and diversified. If you don't have earned income yet, do not force this. Skip to way number 3 and way #4 and come back when you do. Mistake to avoid. Do not contribute more than you earned for the year. Way number 3, low-cost index funds, ETFs, the boring winner. This is the core investing method that works for most people long-term. Index funds and ETFs let you buy a slice of a whole bunch of companies at once, so you are not betting your future on one random stock. And in 2026, fractional shares make it easy to invest small amounts consistently. Only invest money you will not need for the next 1 to 3 years. Pick a broad low-fee index fund, ETF, and automate it monthly. One solid broad fund is totally fine when you are starting. Simple wins. Pick your account, custodial brokerage, or your Roth IRA if you qualify. Choose one broad low-fee fund. Set auto-invest monthly or each paycheck, and check it once a month max. And real quick, picture yourself at 22, and your friends are stressing about money, and somebody says, "I wish I started earlier." That is the moment you are protecting yourself from right now. Your plan needs to survive boring months and bad weeks. Mistake to avoid. Do not sell just because the screen turns red for a week. That is normal market movement, not an emergency. Way number 4. Invest in skills. The fastest way to boost income as a teenager. Your biggest advantage is not your portfolio, it is how fast you can increase your income. If you earn more, investing gets easier because you actually have money left over. Pick one skill and go all in for 30 days. Here is a clean example with video editing. Week 1, learn the basics, cuts, captions, pacing. Week 2, make 3 sample edits so you have proof. Week 3, message 20 creators or local businesses with a simple offer. I will do 1 free sample if you like it. We can work weekly. Week 4, land 1 or 2 paying clients, even at beginner pricing. Every time you get paid, a percentage goes to savings investing before you spend it. That is how future you ends up with options, college, car, moving out without feeling trapped. Mistake to avoid. Do not try to learn 5 skills at once. Pick one and ship work. Way number 5. Start a small business, then reinvest if you want to level up fast. A small business is a cheat code because it builds cash flow and real money skills. Lawn care, car washing, detailing, tutoring, basic social media help for local businesses, or reselling if you do it safely. The investing part is what you do with profit. Do not just spend it and restart from zero. Give your money jobs. Half back into the business, tools, supplies, marketing. Some into long-term investing, index funds / Roth IRA if eligible. And some to pay yourself so you do not burn out. And if you are reselling, do meets with a parent guardian and in safe public places. No sketchy situations for a quick flip. Mistake to avoid. Do not reinvest 100% and leave yourself broke. Pay yourself something so you stay consistent. 1. Emergency fund in savings so you do not panic sell. 2. Custodial Roth IRA if you have earned income and you follow the rules. 3. Low-cost index funds, ETFs, automated monthly with money you will not need soon. 4. Invest in one skill for 30 days to boost income. 5. Small business plus reinvest profits so you are not starting over every time. And remember, you do not need a lot of money to start. You need consistency and a system. Most people will ignore this and keep winging it. And then later they will be sitting there like, I really had the chance and I did not take it. If you stick with this channel, we are building this together step by step, so you do not have to learn money the hard way at 23. Comment 1 to 5 and tell me what you are starting with, $10, $25, or $50. And if you learn something new, like and share the video, and for stay connected with me, subscribe to the channel, and if you want the next video, I'll do the full walkthrough on investing your first $100 as a teen account setup, what to pick, and the mistakes to avoid.